Ekiombe gitari eye serikali usa wa agenda kubwatira na Vines Kenya nigo bachakia amaigerio asa matuko abere ase county ya Kisii neri ya Nyamira gochia se abantu bachorire kurwase jibunge ao asorongoro gusi konyora amaigerio na enjira bagochia gokora konyora iripoti ni namba ya bene enjira bana babwate miaka 5 no mogoike miaka 15 bagokora asa masomo ase chiskuru ao asorogongo rwa gusi erio kumanya iguru yogutwara omumanyi iguru ya masomo erio gokonye wizara yegisemi aiga Kenya asa maonchererio na gukinia chisemi aiga Kenya amaigerio ayo nigo aigurwa bene no mu Vice Chancellor wa University ya Kenya Professor Constantine Matoke oyote bachisemi na chio chirasukie ese ya Kenya mutwe na kuba moyo balia bachaka konyora amaigerio ayo.
The purpose of this national assessment is to generate facts on what we call the foundational literacy and the numerals for children of whose focus is the age group of 6 to 15 years. But of course, if you look at the current children we have, especially those of the urban, you'll get even someone of 6 years managing a phone, messing it even more, managing a smart TV, messing it even more. Some of us cannot be able again to return or normalize it to function until you call the same child and ask him or her, how did you do it, mommy? How did you do it, son, my son, so that you go back to online. But again here, it's for policy changes in view of promoting education justice in Kenya. Even at the age of 6, you are supposed to get freedom of education, freedom of literacy. At the age of 15, what has been the progression? At the end of the day, you would have contributed. If you go back to the Mandela land, that's Nelson Mandela. Mandela, there is one quotation he never used to miss telling people. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. What we are doing is addressing issues that a Kenyan, who is every time changing into situations, would want to focus on, and the reason is, why should we be going that way? So meaning, without you, what we are doing today may not happen. The training you are getting is handy to assist you so that you become, or it becomes an enabler to you, so that you enable others to get you the right information. It is our duty again as policy implementers to ensure that we implement them or work from the positive side. Always dream to be big. Always dream to achieve certain ambitions. Overcoming poverty is not a task of charity. It's an act of justice.
Nonya nabo chinga kiechechio Professor Nyamboga nigo aba omoyo balia bachaka konyora amaigerio ayo enchera barache gokora emerobo eyo asebinyoro.
The training will ensure that you get what we call the numbers right, solving numbers right, then measuring is right, estimating is right, then again noticing patterns is right, adding and subtracting numbers, and so on. That's what I'm saying. I'm sure that after this training you will get the right skills to use in disseminating your focus and also provide feedback appropriately to your sponsors. While wishing you well in the 2-day symposium, it's now my duty to declare this workshop officially open. Thank you.
Ase county ya Kisii nigo barachi gutarira chinyumba chimikianda na ase county ya Nyamira chinyumba chimisa na 320 erio konyora eripoti ya bene eyura chikokonya wizara yegisemi gokora maonjererio aiga Kenya igoro yenchira bana bakonyora amasomo gati yabali baikirana amege yebere Dr. Zakari Ayenda na umwana siasa Douglas Onkeo oyo urwanirete ekirogo kyo obujumbe wasobo bunge ase ebunge ya West Mugrango mu county ya Nyamira.